big YouTube updater. Here to show you guys some ugly exhaust. I mean, Jesus Christ. I couldn't have done better myself. Except for, never mind, I'm not going there. But, yeah. Here we are. Got some exhaust up on here. I mean, it's I don't know. It's whatever. Don't look at it too hard. Good Lord. I mean, it's there. Doesn't sound bad, I gotta say. It sounds pretty damn good. Kind of surprised me. Not a big muffler guy, but I think I might be now. Oh, maybe. Oh yeah, that's right. I just messed with a bunch of shit. Men, golly. You can hear my gear drive all going all crazy and stuff, you know. Good times. I think this side sounds different. I don't know. Hell yeah, though. Might as well look inside, huh? Give you guys the old extra tour. I can't reach it. Dang it. Hey, Loki. You know you're not supposed to be out of there, right? Come back this way, Sonny. He knows. He knows. He knows. He just wants to be cool like me, it's all. See this mustache, you know? Cool guy. Can't do too much about it except for cut it off. Then I won't be cool no more, so. Alright, later, YouTube. Gangsters.